Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to see how I made these 3 DIY decor mirrors, keep watching. And of course, if you aren't already a subscriber, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Okay, let's jump right into the video. Style 1 is for my boho lovers. For the first mirror, I started out with this piece of cardboard that I cut into a circle. I'm using this 3.5-inch mirror as well, which I picked up from Michael's for $2.99. I did try using the ones from Dollar Tree, but it broke while I was trying to take it out of its frame, so I highly recommend the ones from Michael's because they're really high quality and super affordable, ranging from $2.99 to $4.99. Next, I found the center and hot glued the mirror down to the cardboard. Next, I'm using this 10-wheel braided jute rope. It's 100% jute that I ordered from Amazon. I really like the quality. I've used it multiple times for other DIYs. I like it because it doesn't shed very much. You get 200 feet of 3.5mm wide jute rope for 10 bucks. I cut 3 long pieces of rope and I rubber banded them together. Next, I clamped the ends down to my work table and began braiding my rope. I did this multiple times so that I would have enough rope to cover all of my cardboard. Then I began hot gluing my braided rope to the cardboard. I kept doing this until there was no cardboard left to cover. Here's style 2. If you caught my first ever thrift haul, you'll remember that I picked up this item from the Salvation Army. I didn't ever quite figure out what it was, but I knew I just had to use it for some DIY. I took it apart and I ended up with 150 beautiful pieces of wood, and I thought that it would be perfect to create some sort of Scandinavian style decor mirror. I used a Dollar Tree wreath form for the base to hold my wooden pieces and this 12-inch mirror from Michael's. I hot glued them together, then began hot gluing my wooden pieces onto the frame. When I needed a more customized fit, I used my rotary tool to cut and then sand down my wooden piece, and then I attached it to my mirror. For a more modern style, here's style 3. I used the lids off of some of my favorite candles, just like this one. I created a composition that I was happy with, finding the balance in both color, size, and texture, and then I began hot gluing the candle lids together. To create a little bit of contrast, I included a 3.5-inch mirror that I got from Michael's and this black frame from a Dollar Tree mirror. Since I wanted to be sure there was plenty of dimension going on in this decor piece, I added this foam form to the back of the mirror so that it rested against the flatter pieces. This helps give the entire piece a much more three-dimensional look, so when it sits on the wall, it doesn't read so flat. I'm so in love with how all 3 of my decor mirrors came out. I hope you enjoyed watching me create them. Please comment, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!